you a little bit about the American style pumpkin roll, and then we're going to go into making another type of roll cake. It's called a cake of roulette. Pumpkin puree in there. I probably used a little bit more than that because I do really enjoy that pumpkin pie spice. And pour this and then smooth it out. I will hand this off. So again, we're going to pour it right into the pan, smooth it out all around the edges. This can be a little bit messy, but we're just going to dump it out a little moist, being that it was the bottom, and then make a roll and make it nice and tight. And I sit it in the refrigerator to cool. We're going to start at the end down here that wants to roll up. You need to be firm with it, with that side down. This is the nice cake. This gets a nice sprinkling. And there we go. So this is the pumpkin roll. I think that's everything. Thank you all.